So only watch this video after you try to make the first pivot table yourself. That's how you learn most. Just watching this video and then repeating what you see isn't gonna make you any wiser. So what do we see in the rows? We see consultation, so the visit type, and then we see actual and budget. Let's start with that. There is a tip, by the way. It's a pivot table from the table or from the range from appointments. So not from the data model. So let's look for that table. I think it's this one. Yes, indeed. So I did Control A and then pivot table. Let's make it appear over here in sheet 6. There you go. So we have actual and budget for sure in the values. And then there's the kind of visit, so the consultation, surgery, or treatment. Let's see. Let's change the titles of the columns. So by double clicking on the column titles, we change this into actual and this into budget. Everybody knows in the company that this is about billing. Great, I'm gonna make this look a bit more readable by clicking on the big comma and then taking away the decimals. So far so good. Now we have to do a calculation with these numbers. So we're gonna add a column, and that's done by adding a calculated field. Yeah, remember, adding a calculated item is adding a row. Yeah, we could add a subtotal here, but in this case we're going to add a column, so that's a calculated field. So let's create a calculated field. What is it called again? It's called budget variance percentage. So budget variance percentage. And how do we calculate it? Well, just like the variance with the past is new divided by old minus 1, we can also do the budget variance in a similar way. So it's actual divided by budget minus 1. Or if you prefer the other formula, new minus old between parentheses divided by old, the similar formula would be actual minus budget between parentheses divided by budget. Okay. Of course, we don't see anything because we're looking for percentages. So let's turn this into percentages. Let's change this name. We don't want to see the sum. Okay, that already exists, so let's add a space. And now it should look pretty much the same. There is a decimal, so I'm going to add one more decimal. Okay,